Hey, the lazy method that I use to defeat lust 10 times faster is the opposite of trying harder. After struggling with this myself, I've realized that most men make one critical mistake. You change this, and everything changes for you. The first thing I want to tell you is to stop fighting and start starving. What this means is that most men consistently try fighting lust, but the problem is it keeps coming back stronger. It's like trying to kill a fire but pouring gasoline on it every single day. You're trying to stop the fire, but you're actually feeding the source. Lust isn't a battle that you just fight in the moment. It's about the things that you watch, consume, and listen to and entertain daily. If you remove the fuel, the fire starts to die on its own. Romans 13, verse 14 says, make no provision for the flesh, for it fulfills its lust. Remember, guys, you don't defeat lust by trying harder. You do it by starving it daily. If you're serious about finally getting free from lust, I put everything step by step in my ebook, the first link in the description if you want to get it. The second point I want to bring up to you today, guys, is that you have to replace and don't resist. Even if you stop these bad habits, if you don't replace them, you fall right back into those same habits. It's like cleaning the entire house, but you leave it empty. Guys, somebody else just moves right in. To replace lust with something stronger, God's presence, His purpose for you, and His discipline. You see, idle time and empty space is where temptation grows. Galatians 5, verse 16 says, if you walk in the Spirit, you shall not fulfill the lust of the flesh. You don't remove lust permanently. You replace it with something even greater, and that is God. The third point I want to bring up to you guys, you got to win before the temptation. You see, most of the times we try to win the battle of temptation when it comes up. By that time, we've already have a disadvantage and we're most likely going to lose that battle. It's like going into a battle without armor and we're trying to win on pure skill alone. It's just not going to work. We're already at a disadvantage. We have to prepare before the battle comes. Victory over loss is decided even before temptation comes. If we pray, if we're disciplined, and what we allow in our mind daily prepares us for that battle. Matthew 26:41 says, watch and pray lest you will enter into temptation. Guys, you don't win when temptation comes. You win in how you prepare before it comes. If you apply this the right way, overcoming lust won't feel like a struggle anymore. It will feel intentional, controlled, and actually possible for you. Because the truth is, freedom isn't about trying harder. It's about living smarter, intentionally, and spiritually. And if you want to learn how to actually defeat lust easier, watch this video that I have in front of me right now.